getting ready to do my very first attempt with the raindrop design. And I've never done this one before. With this, you have layers of color and then you pour up the sides of the soap to create a teardrop in the middle. That is the goal. So I'm going to actually be doing 2 different lobes with this. Normally with this kind of design, I wouldn't, but I'm going to be using cactus flower from Bramble Berry. This is decelerating, so it actually makes your batter even slower moving. I used this, gosh, a year or 2 ago, and I wanted to put some embeds on top, and it took like half an hour for it to be set up enough after making the soap and everything to be able to put that on there. So anyway, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be doing a rainbow design. I have my, I know there's 7 colors, but I'm going to do 6 colors of the rainbow here. I have Nurture Soap and Bramble Berry, and then Wholesale Supplies Plus, Crafter's Choice. I'm using Red Vibrance Mica, Orange Vibrance, Banana Boat Yellow, Green Vibrance, Blue Vibrance, and then Purple Playhouse Mica. The outside is going to be Blue Slushy Mica. This one is from Bramble Berry. The reason why I'm going to be using this color is I have found that with a lot of blues, when you use just a little bit to get a light blue, you tend to get kind of a gray or green. And this one, even if you use like a little bit, it still stays blue. Now for one of them, I'm going to try to do something. This may not work, but I would like to try to do a heart in the middle of the rainbow. So my teardrop is going to have that rainbow shape, and then I have a heart that I that I extruded out of soap dough, and I'm going to put that in the middle. The concern I have, one of the concerns I have with this one, the main one I have with this is I don't know if it's going to sit on top or if it's going to sink. So I guess we'll find out, but I'm going to do one without it, one with it, same colors for both of them. These, I have my micas already divided out, and then I have a little bit of sweet almond oil in there. My dogs are outside, and there's coyotes that are howling, so they're barking, so just ignore that. Anyway, so inside each of these, they're kind of squeeze bottles. I put one of these, and this is those bubbles of air, the bubble wrap, the big ones that you get in packaging. If you just snip off the top, it's a perfect liner for these. The other thing that you can use, and I bought these, let's see if I can find it. I bought these years ago. These are baby bottle drop-ins, and this is actually pretty inexpensive, but if you want to upcycle, this is the way to go with that. Now, another thing that's nice about this is if you have a little bit left over in the bottom, you just take it, seal it off, let it sit for like 3 days, and make sure there's no air, and then you've got some soap dough that you can use, which is really nice to do. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get gloved up, get everything ready to go. Let's see, for the design, I'm going to do, this is the goal, I'm gonna divide 1/4 of the batch into my 6 colors. I'm going to take what's left, 1/3 of it, place it into the bottom, go ahead and do my colors, and then I'm going to take the other 2/3 of the remaining batter, and then I'm going to slowly pour it along the sides. So that, from what I have read, that's what you want to do. What I've heard is you want to go very, very slow, because if you go fast, it can get kind of wonky. Hopefully it'll turn out. Like I said, I've never done this design before, so let's give it a go.